Hey there! This video guide will show you how you as a manager can monitor and control your agents during their calls. Actions available to a manager on the Realtime page include Listen, Whisper, and Barge. The Listen mode lets you hear the conversation between the agent and the client. The Whisper mode gives you an opportunity to talk to the agent only. The Barge mode allows talking to both the agent and the client. To monitor your agent's conversation, click 3 horizontal lines on the agent card. Among available options, select Whisper. In the window that opens, enter your user login registered within the softphone and click Whisper. Then, answer the incoming call. By default, you will join the call in the Listen mode. Also, you can switch to other modes. Click 5 on the dial pad to switch to Whisper. Click 6 to switch to Barge. If you want to go back to the Listen mode, click 4. See you in our next video guides.